right, guys, here we are on Euro Pound again. So this is our previous trade that obviously we are now completely out of. I just still have it up here, visually. Um, and yeah, so hopefully you guys are still familiar with this price action here. So I have gotten into another short position here. Um, just looking at this recent price action, we have this zone, right? Um, you know, we push down very hard, high volume bearish candle close below the zone, two large wicks, sort of teasing this level and are now, now sort of rejecting. So I think we're going to get a nice roll over to the downside, similar to our entry here on this other position. But really looking at this, right, this is a very key level. If we go to a 4-hour chart here, we can see all the touches within the zone. We can see really the importance of this level. So here we get a really nice defined close. Now back here, this was a lot weaker. What I like about this is this comes from, we pushed up higher initially and then had a strong bearish close in on the 4-hour here. And so then this candle is just, after closing nice and bearish here, we are pushing up and, wicking up here and sort of rejecting this level. And so I just think from a visual perspective, this looks really awesome. Obviously, this zone down here is our higher time frame level. We can see on the daily chart. We showed this, I think, on the previous trade. And so I think, overall, high time frame, we're in a downtrend. So I think we're just going to continue that and move into this zone a little bit lower here. And really what I'm targeting is hopefully a deeper push, a push a little bit more deep into this zone. Not just targeting the top of this zone. I hope we can get a little bit lower, maybe even, get a little bit lower and get to a 3-to-1 ratio. But, if not, we'll still be more than a 2-to-1 if we only get to the top. But anyway, I'm just targeting somewhere within this zone. So I hope this makes sense. Just really simple price action, right? We have such a strong level in here. We are now pretty clearly below it. And so I think maybe another push up similar to what we did right here, and we can get a nice push to the downside because this is going to be a really strong resistance for us. So let's just lock that there. And yeah, that's what I'm looking at here on Euro Pound. All right, guys. And just like that, it is a new week. It is a Monday, November 11th. I'm going to be quick with this because I have to run somewhere. But yeah, trade went really nicely. We got out here toward the bottom of this zone, came down a bit further, but overall our support here was pretty much perfect. Exactly what what happened, how we analyzed this. So yeah, just going over this again, we strong break to the downside, close, candle with small bullish body, long top wick, very bearish, shows a lot of weakness. And then the next candle, similar thing, we got large wick and then small body, but we're bearish this time. And so, that's exactly what we want to see from a sell-off standpoint. So overall, I hope these entries make sense. It's really just using common sense along with, good higher time frame zones. And so, yeah, that's all we're really looking at now. Once this, progresses a bit more, we will discuss, where we see price going here in the near future.